Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. University of the Punjab. Annual 2011. Examination BA BSc. Subject English. Paper compulsory for BSc candidates. Attempt any two questions from Section A. Section B is compulsory. Section A. Question number 1A. Leacock describes a health maniac person as an obsessed person. Discuss Jigan's character as an health maniac person. B. What is obsession? Are all obsessions bad? Question number 2A. How does Russell define education? B. What defect is inherent in purely classical education? 3A. Discuss the story August 2026 There Will Come Soft Rains as an allegory of future. B. What is the significance of the poem in the story? 4A. How does the writer compare TV addiction with drug addiction? B. What measures can parents adopt to check excess TV watching among children? Section B. Question number 5. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions in your own words. A person who is aware of his duties and rights in his society is a good citizen. He knows that he is a member of a group with which he is associated by 1,001 ties. He realizes that he should live in harmony with others in society. He cannot live alone. He must live with his fellow human beings, but living in a society means cooperation with others. When you live in a society, you have to live as others live. You have to accept the conditions and traditions that a society prescribes for its members. These conditions and standards of behavior are for the common good and welfare of the society and individuals. Society gives us some rights and some duties. A good citizen does his best to do his duty to the society. He always keeps in view the interest of his society and state. He lives a clean and honest life. He keeps away from such activities that may harm the interest of his fellow citizens. A good citizen is aware of the fact that he is indebted to his society in many ways. He knows that the labor and work of countless persons have enriched his life. His life to a very great extent depends on others. He has received much in material and spiritual benefits from others. It is only just and right that he should pay his debts. Questions 1. Who is a good citizen? 2. What are the duties of a good citizen? 3. Why is society formed? 4. Make a preface of the passage and give it a suitable title. Question number 6. Make a report on internet addiction. Question number 7. Write an essay of 200 words on anyone. 1. Terrorism. 2. Education for all. 3. Dreams. 4. Discipline. Question number 8. Translate into English. एक ज़माना था जब हमारे यहाँ ख़ानदानी निज़ाम था, जहाँ दादा दादी और दीगर रिश्तेदार मिलजुल कर रहते थे। एक दूसरे पर मुकम्मल एतमाद था। मोहब्बत की फ़िज़ा में बच्चों की परवरिश करते थे, जिसकी वजह से बच्चों में खुद एतमादी पैदा होती थी। वो अपने मसाइल और अपनी तकालीफ वालिदैन और अहले खाना के साथ मिलकर हल करते थे, जिसकी वजह से इनमें तहफ़्फ़ुज़ का एहसास पैदा होता था। लेकिन जैसे जैसे मुल्क तरक्की करता गया, लोगों के पास वक्त कम हो गया। दीगर ये कि मगरबी इक़दार का भी गलबा हो गया। और फॉर फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स ओनली, राइट अ डायलॉग बिटवीन टू स्टूडेंट्स ऑन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। University of the Punjab, Annual 2013, Examination BA BSc, Subject English, Paper compulsory for BSc candidates, Time allowed 3 hours, Maximum marks 100. Attempt any two questions from Section A, Section B is compulsory. Section A. Question number 1A. The last lesson is a story of national pride. Explain. B. Write a note on Mr. Hamill, the schoolmaster. Can we call him an ideal teacher? Question number 2A. What, according to Bertrand Russell, is the definition of education? Explain its 3 aims. B. What are the positive aspects of the scientific spirit? 3A. What is the difference between emotional meanings and objective meanings? How do emotional meanings affect our behavior? B. What is the writer's advice about the use of words? 4A. Describe the views of Rachel L. Carson about the beginnings of the earth, the moon, and the oceans. B. What were the effects of the birth of the moon on life and its origin? Section B. Question number 5. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions in your own words. Science offers the possibility of far greater well-being for the human race than has ever been known before. It offers these on certain conditions: abolition of war, even distribution of ultimate power, and limitation of the growth of population. All these are much nearer to being possible than they ever were before in Western industrial countries as they become modernized, unless dictators and missionaries interfere. The even distribution of ultimate power, economic as well as political, has been nearly achieved in Britain, and other democratic countries are rapidly moving towards it. The prevention of war. It may seem a paradox that to say that we are nearer to achieving this than ever before, but I am persuaded that it is true. Questions. 1. On what conditions can science be used for the better well-being of human beings? 2. What does the writer say about population growth in the Western industrial countries and its application to other countries? 3. What does the writer say about economic and political power in relation to Britain and other democratic countries? 4. Make preface of the passage and suggest a suitable title for it. Question number 6. Write a report on drug menace in your area. 7. Write an essay on one of the following topics. 1. Energy crisis in Pakistan. 2. Science and human comforts. 3. Poverty and its eradication. 4. Global warming. Question number 8. Translate the following passage into English. इस अमर से कोई इख्तलाफ नहीं कर सकता कि एक महजब माशरे में कानून की बालादस्ती होती है, जबकि गैर महजब माशरों में कानून मोम की नाक की तरह होता है, जैसे ताकतवर जिस तरह चाहे मोड़ लेते हैं। यहाँ कानून की नहीं बल्कि अफराद की हुक्मरानी होती है। इन माशरों में कानून को रवायती तौर पर तो मान लिया जाता है, मगर अमली तौर पर इसकी पैरवी नहीं की जाती। और for foreign students only, write a dialogue between traffic warden A and traffic warden B on growing violation of traffic rules by the youth.